We are back with Dr. Kara Fitzgerald, who's showing us how to reverse our biological age, get this, in the kitchen. Before the break, we talked about how rosemary is a real brain food. So, Kara, show us what we need to make your rosemary lemon tart. I know Dr. Ish wants to make one of these.
You can do it, Dr. Ish, and I assure you, you will love it. It's delicious. My daughter helps me make this. She loves it, so it's kid-friendly also. It's simple. The crust is just sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and again, these are longevity superfoods, shredded coconut, a little bit of coconut oil, some dates for sweetness, and a smidge of salt. You just blend it thoroughly, dump it into a pie plate, and then just press it out. Easy peasy. The filling is the zest and juice of 6 lemons. You add a little bit of gelatin. If you're vegan, you can use agar-agar. Again, you're going to use some salt, high-fat coconut milk. You can use monk fruit or a little maple syrup to taste, and a cup of cashews. Blend the filling thoroughly, and then just add into the pie crust like that. You pop it into the refrigerator. Keep it in the fridge for maybe 4 hours max. Pop it out, garnished with a couple of blueberries, a little sprig of rosemary, and yum. You've got a delicious dessert. A healthy, delicious, longevity-promoting dessert.
I wish we had some of that here.
I know. Oh, taste
Well,
that.
we'll have you in the studio at some point.
Oh, yeah.
You also have a matcha crunch snack that has nutritional perks. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so again, going back to the wonderment of green tea as a longevity nutrient, the matcha crunch is easy to make and it's delicious. You just take seeds, some nuts, coconut, you toss it all into matcha, bake, and you're done.
I'm inspired. Cooking this weekend, maybe.
Oh, yeah.
Good. I would love for that. Yeah.
We'll have these recipes posted on our website along with a test you can take to find out your biological age. Thanks so much, Kara.
Thanks, Doc.
It was an honor. Thank you. So much fun.